test with charging of different devices with Torqeedo 50-watt solar panel. Usually Torqeedo 50-watt solar panel would charge Torqeedo battery. It has inbuilt charge controller, so it always takes the most of it. However, if we want to charge some other devices directly, we need some charge controller regulator. So I bought few cheap charge controllers from China, two with two USB ports. So it's basically DC to DC step down voltage with over voltage, over current protection, and another one with 4 USB ports. So they accept up to I think from 6 volts to up to 30 volts of solar panel input from solar panel, while the panel gives its peak voltage. It's rated as 18 volts and open circuit voltage is 21 volts. That's nominal voltage of 12 volts. So here we see 4 devices being charged simultaneously. We're charging one Samsung Galaxy phone, Voltaic power bank of 4000 milliampere hours, then Nook ebook, and then charging some rechargeable batteries. The phone takes 1.5 amperes, and this device is taking fluctuating current, so jumping from 0.1 amperes to 0.5 amperes. But when connected with this to this device with 4 ports, even though all the devices are being charged, but voltage on some ports drop down. So you see for the phone it's giving now only 0.5 of amperes, even though the phone itself would take a bit more. But nevertheless, all the 4 devices are being charged. Here we're testing smaller DC to DC step down converter. So as you see, the 2 more powerful devices connected. So Galaxy phone and Voltaic battery. Phone takes 1.5 amperes, tries to suck this amount of amperes. Voltaic takes up to 1 amperes of current. So in this scenario we see that one or another port is giving less of voltage, and the maximum current also drops. The same is observed with the 2 less powerful devices connected. So rechargeable battery, nickel metal hydride, and Nook ebook being charged. So one of the ports is giving less of voltage, and So in general, summarizing, I can guess that this device with 4 USB ports probably is better. I don't have 4 voltmeters to test what is the voltage is giving to other connected devices, and all 4 simultaneously are connected. Nevertheless, it shows that all of them are being charged, all of the devices, the phone, the Nook, the Voltaic battery, and the rechargeable battery charger is charging the batteries inside. So voltage is a bit lower for the Nook this time. This is giving nice 5 volts. Nevertheless, as mentioned, all 4 devices are being charged. Some light snow, forecast, solar panel, Torqeedo 50 watts, through cheap Chinese controller, charging Voltaic power bank, and Voltaic power bank is charging mobile phone.